above the water. Finally, I can breathe again.
What's up, you guys? How are you all doing? I hope your day and week is off to an amazing start. To my returning subscribers, I just want to say a very big thank you for always showing some love to any video I post. And if you are new here, my name is Elizabeth, and you are so welcome to this beautiful growing family. Alright guys, as you can see, I am in the living room, and today we are going to refresh the living area for spring in the colors of light green and green. I actually love those colors so much because they remind me of nature and new beginnings, and it's a way of creating bringing freshness, calmness to your home. So yes, we are going to do that, and we are going to change the seating arrangement. Let's see how it goes, but I'm not going to do anything to the floating shelves. I probably will just change florals, and that's about it. That's all we're going to do today.
Greenery is always a must for spring for me. It instantly brings life into the room and ties everything together. What do you think, guys? Actually, we will be keeping the decor minimal but intentional, so the space feels airy, elegant, and not overcrowded. Okay? All right.
Alright, so I'm going to take out all the pillows, move the love seat, couch, vacuum, move the coffee and end tables, adjust the rug, mop the floor, and then rearrange the sitting position. Alright, so now let's enjoy some music.
Carry me away, honey. A dream, 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 dream. Make me lose my senses. Carry me away, away. A dream, dream, dream. Come take me away. My head above the water. Finally, I can breathe again.
My worship could never measure how I feel, so I'll be an offering at the potter's wheel. I give you my life, I offer my best, a sacrifice, whatever you ask, morning and night, and every hour that shall pass, it's yours to have and hold, to mold and shape. Lord, fill this place. So feel this place. Feel this place. I am a vessel born of your clay.
Starting with the fireplace, I've dusted the floating shelves, but I didn't see the clip, so I didn't show it. But I did. I'm rearranging some few genarium flowers to the mantle, trying to mimic the TV art frame image. Alright, next to the fireplace, I'm placing this beautiful basket from Walmart.com, pillow and blanket, just for warmth when we sit to watch TV, and I place them for both sides. These green pillows are my new find from Home Goods.
Lord, feel this place.
Moving on to the couches. I'm dragging the love seat couch to its new place and the end table, and I'm going to go ahead and wipe it down before we start styling.
I don't like to see you crying on your pillow. Never wanted you to feel like I'm not there, but I know that in this life you will have trouble. I just wanna let you know that I'm still right.
I made some few floral arrangements with some of the genarium and with a stackable book to sit it on. The bowl is from Ross few months ago. I really love this feathered light, and I thought it'd be perfect where I'm setting it right now. Alright guys, the inspiration to using sage green and light green are these two pillows from Ross. I think it was $19.99, about 2 or 3 months ago after Christmas. Yes, I found that after Christmas. Texture is everything. And these two others are from Amazon. Okay guys, my background will look different because I made this video before the Easter dining room. So if you see the background different, that's the reason, okay? Okay. All right, these pillows are also from Amazon. Love the checkered ones so much. Just wanted the living and dining area flow cohesively. This blanket is so soft and it's from Home Goods as well. I decided to add a lumber pillow next to them, and I love the colors together. We are just enjoying this year's designer inspired colors. Okay. Moving on to the coffee table, bringing in this gorgeous vase I've had, I think last 2 years ago from Amazon. And this green book from Joanne Gaines. Alright guys, those Irish moss stamps are everything. I've been enjoying them since about a year or two ago when I bought them from different places. I believe Craft Outlet, Home Depot, and something market. I can't recollect, but I will find the link and definitely link it. You have to say Irish moss stamps before it will generate, okay? All right, I went ahead and added candle and artichoke and this pretty mirror tray from Ross. And but you'll see in a few minutes that I added books for height. And I'm adding a book and stand, and this completes the coffee table. Let's wipe this end table by the love seat and style the decor piece is from Z Gallery a couple of years ago, and the book is from Amazon.
I remember when it felt like time stood still. When I knew in the moment I found my forever. You captured my soul like you've known me for years. Back when love was a whisper. And I promise you always. Promise me you'll always lift me up in your arms. Up on your wings where I'll soar. You'll always lift me up in your arms. Now and forevermore. So in love with you. And I'll always be forever. Those seasons change. My love remains. So in love with you. And I'll always be forever. Those seasons change. What's then, now, forever. Just as the sky is blue, just as your blood runs red, my love for you stands true. Please let me take your hand. Lift me up your arms. Where only our love could keep us from falling. Lift me up your arms. Now and forevermore. So in love with you.
And here's the final look, guys. I love how everything came together. It feels fresh, calm, and perfectly in tune with the spring season. I truly hope using one of these designed inspired color palette of 2026 will motivate and encourage you to bring your own place this peaceful, inviting, which aligns with the beauty of nature. One thing I always like to remind you guys is that you don't have to spend a lot to create a space that feels cohesive and intentional, elegant and put together. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hype, comment, subscribe to get this channel to 2,000K. Okay, guys, hooray! We're on the road to 2,000K. Thank you so much in advance for subscribing and share. And until next time, guys, please always remember that you were fearfully and wonderfully made. I love you all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and bye-bye.
I'll always be forever. Those seasons change. My love remains. So in love with you. And I'll always be forever. Those seasons change. Then now forever. There's no doubt that life's worth living now that I'm with you.